France and Germany have imposed a second national lockdown after a record spike in COVID-19 cases. India reported 517 deaths overnight, with the death toll crossing 120,000. The country's total number of infections has crossed 8 million. Globally, 1.17 million people have lost their lives to the virus, while nearly 44.5 million have been infected. More in the following report.
The surging cases in the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic have wiped out months of gains. Europe and the United States are particularly being battered by the second coming of the virus. A new wave of curbs has swept through Europe, resembling the blanket lockdowns earlier in spring. France, Italy, Germany, Poland, and many other European nations have been registering record daily cases. While the only hope out of this whirlpool is a cure, the delivery of potential vaccines is likely only from April next year.
In best case scenarios, we could see monthly deliveries of about 20 to 15 million doses of vaccines. The moment the first companies start to signal that they are on the road, the big numbers of supplies are due to start in April.
Over in Asia, too, India's top laboratories say their trials of Russian Sputnik V vaccine are expected to be concluded only by March 2021. China and South Korea, two countries that handled the virus best, are also witnessing a spike in new COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, the pandemic is now hitting Russia's far-off regions as the country sends army doctors to fight the virus in the Ural Mountains.
We're not talking about the second wave of the pandemic, but as we have discussed just this morning, some regions are facing the first wave now, according to experts. We have to monitor the situation closely and react in time and efficiently.
In Latin America, Mexico has surpassed 90,000 confirmed deaths just a day after it crossed 900,000 infections.